Good morning. Your name? You're charged with violation of parental responsibility law, and you have the right to a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Would you like a lawyer?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'll arraign you.
Yes, sir.
I'll let you go talk to the prosecutor.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me at all, like the last guy did for 15 minutes? I just want to make sure I'm answering everybody's questions today.
No, sir.
Okay, you're charged with violation of the parental responsibility law. They think you didn't send your child to school at Woodhaven Upper Elementary, located at 24825 Hall Road, near Van Horn and Woodhaven on February the 17th of 26. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs of all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign an advice of rights and you read and understand the rights?
Yes, sir.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have the right to a lawyer. Do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Entering a not guilty plea.
Yes, sir.
$500 personal bond. You don't have to post any money.
Yeah.
Here are your bond conditions. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Your children are to attend school with no unexcused absences.
Yes, sir.
Important we get our kids to school because,
Yes, sir.
like I always say, back in Abraham Lincoln's days, you didn't need a high school diploma. Now you don't have one, you're done, right? So
Yes, sir.
you go out in the hallway, you talk to the prosecutor,
Yes, sir.
and then either way, after you talk to the prosecutor, you come back in front of me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Any questions at all?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Judge?
This was a lot easier than the last one. Yeah,
Thank you.
I am also pulling a warrant for her. It looks like, I believe it's for non-payment, possibly, is what it
is that
looks
in
like.
front of me or
for.
Judge Justin?
Judge Hesson.
You gotta take care of your stuff, man.
Yes, sir. I completely own up to the fact that I do go from that. I do.
Well, they're gonna pull the file, so you also have a warrant out for your arrest.
Yes, sir.
On that, they're gonna cancel the warrant. In the meantime, you go talk to the Woodhaven prosecutor and we'll take care of them both when you're done, okay?
A dad walks into court over his child missing school, then the judge suddenly discovers he also has an active warrant. Wait until you hear this. The judge warns him that failing to get kids to school today can seriously ruin their future, and the father admits he messed up. Now he has to deal with two court problems at the same time. What do you guys think? Too harsh or completely fair? Like, comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama.
Why would you bring your child here?
I didn't have a mom works different day and I work 24 hours a day. So I just got off. Mom was on the way to work, so I had no choice. I talked to my probation officer about it yesterday just to see if it would be okay. She said you didn't really like that, but
Well, I don't like it when I'm contemplating whether I should put somebody in jail or not.
I understand, but I really didn't have
I'm just telling you, this is what I see happen, okay? People who have problems, they don't go to jail, tend to bring infant or toddlers.
just nothing like that.
It's not, oh, okay.
It's nothing like
Did
that.
you have to come here on all these other occasions without your child, or with your child before? I don't remember you bringing this child
My
in.
wife came in with me, with her, not me, so I stuff. I just started a new job as Superior, so I'm doing 24-hour shifts, so I don't even have to days there. And grandparents are 80 years old now, and they're watching us for we can break.
You were charged with failure to attend the Positive Strategies program at 4-week follow-up. It says you attended the intake session but failed to.
Sorry.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reschedule this. You're gonna have to find somebody to watch your child. I can't conduct court like this. I just can't do it. Okay? Give me a new date, Heather.
March 18th at 9:00.
March 18th at 9:00. You're gonna have to figure it out. And honestly, am I gonna send you to jail on this? I don't know. I doubt it. I don't know though. But I can't conduct court like this. So we're gonna adjourn this to March 18th at 9:00.
Okay, I also have a question. Jessica, she told me to sign up for the positive strategy.
Yeah, I don't know why you haven't done that. I ordered that a year ago, didn't I?
No, I did do it, but some things that came up, which is not an excuse. Things that came up where I couldn't make it.
I placed you on probation March 13th of 25. This is March the 4th of 26. That means that's 300, let's see, that's 354 days ago. It has an 8-week follow-up component to it. I don't know why you haven't done it yet. I don't want to talk about it. I'm adjourning this to March 18th. I would get in the program if I was you. Well, you should have done it. This should have been done with back by March of last or April of last year. I mean, I don't have to tell you, do it by a certain date. I placed you on probation for 12 months. March 18th, 9 o'clock. Go get your notice down the hall. Thank you.
A man shows up to court with his toddler, and the judge is not happy. He warns court is no place for a child during a possible jail decision. Wait until you hear this. The man missed a required probation program and is already in trouble. The judge reschedules the case, gives him one last chance, and warns, fix this or next time it's serious. What do you guys think, fair or too lenient? Like, comment, and subscribe.
Cassidy Rose Goodlow Cope. 26. How you doing?
Good.
Your name?
Yes.
Cassidy what?
Good logo.
Wow, you should have been a lawyer. Heather, I'm going to need all these files, though.
Paid him, Judge.
Yeah, I know, and he's got me dismissing them now. So how do you want me to handle it, Heather?
Do you want me to, excuse me, Judge, do you want me to pull the closed ones?
Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to take this plea to impeding on this. I'm going to dismiss the suspend. He also wants to dismiss the no proof insurance and distracted driving. I'll do that. I'm going to dismiss those from here. We're going to refund any money that we owe her. You already
Okay.
paid those?
Yes, officer, I paid my tickets off. Or I meant judge, I'm sorry.
That's okay. How much did she pay, Heather?
She paid on the no insurance, $185. And on the distracted driving, she paid $155.
All right, here's what I'm doing. I'm going to take your plea and we'll go from there, okay? You're going to plead to impeding traffic. That's 0 points, won't go on your record, and then I'm going to dismiss the suspend, distracted driving, and no proof of insurance. That's your understanding.
Yes,
And
Judge.
you understand impeding traffic is a 0-point civil infraction.
Yes,
To
Judge.
that charge of impeding traffic, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
I think responsible.
Is accepted. 180 is your total. Go ahead and dismiss, Heather, the suspend, the distracted driving, the no proof of insurance. So I'm going to make sure I write all that down. Dismiss. No proof of insurance. Distracted driving. And suspend charge. Okay? And I'm going to charge 180, so we're going to refund all that money. All right, Heather? So you should owe her, it sounds like to me, 160, but they're going to have to send you a check, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Maybe you should go to law school after that.
I'll take it into consideration.
Have a good day. Good luck to you. Wish you well.
A courtroom deal turns fast. A woman walks in facing multiple traffic charges, and wait until you hear this. The judge works out a plea. She only has to admit to a minor, impeding traffic, violation with 0 points on her record. Everything else, no insurance, distracted driving, and suspension gets dismissed. On top of that, she even gets a refund for fines she already paid. The judge jokingly tells her she should go to law school. What do you guys think, fair deal or too lenient? Like, comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.
Salamat Nasser M. El Jahalam. If I'm pronouncing that, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. 267-840-751. You're charged with retail fraud. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. If you want a lawyer.
Yes.
Okay. We'll set you up with a lawyer, and then your lawyer will go. Somebody wrote, does not speak English. You speak English, though, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
No,
he doesn't mind, he doesn't.
it's his case, right?
No,
That's what you said. That's what you told, well, okay.
Who's selling?
Misunderstanding.
Wait a minute, are you selling that?
yes,
Yeah. Woodhaven City Attorney will take you to, but we're gonna give you a lawyer.
alright. Thank you, Your Honor.
So give the defendant lawyer and then the Woodhaven. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, go right out in the hallway. He'll set you up.
Susanna, I heard.
I don't know, Shucky just gave that, and, yeah.
Oh, the family? Or Shanky gave that too?
Shucky was something, to everything else. And he gave me.
This, but you answered.
People against Alyssa Ann Cosby, 24B147119.
Oh, yes, Shucky.
All right, your name?
Elisa Cosby.
All right, so I'm gonna read you the notes I have. This is written by probation on February 27th. Defendant is compliant, community service hours are completed, balance paid and filled. Probation department just came in and said that the victim reached out to the probation officer, asserting claims that you violated the no contact provision by having somebody contact you through a third party. The probation officer asked for proof. And as of this morning, no proof has been received. Probation officer told victim to appear for prosecutor review with proof of claims. So this was scheduled for 9 o'clock. And I don't believe Mr. Cole is here, is he? I just am asking you, have you seen your,
No, and I don't want to.
all right, okay.
But no, I've not done anything.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirmative penalties occurred to be the testimony you give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
Yes,
All right, since you were in court on June 18 of 25, have you, let me see, you were in front of me on one probation violation, but you haven't been convicted of any crime since then, have you?
no,
Do you have any other charges pending other than this?
no, I'm not a criminal.
Settle down, it's gonna,
Yeah,
I'm not yet. Have you had any contact with the police for any reason?
no,
Prosecutor sent this in. Some days this job is just overwhelmingly fun, you know that?
I would want to be here, do your job.
I'm dismissing your case. Prosecutor for the record says prosecutor moves to dismiss is compliant per probation department. However, notes the allegations of third-party contact. If proof can be provided by the victim, then leaves it to instruction of the court. He's not here. I was told that they just called yesterday or the day before. I'm dismissing the case. Congratulations. That's the luck.
What do we do now? I mean, does all this go out?
Oh, yeah, you gotta cancel all the bond conditions, by the way, Heather, although I
And
think
do I get my fingerprints back and all
you
that?
can on a 771 case,
Can or I can't?
can not. So this just will remain dismissed, but, it's still gonna be on your record just as a plea, conviction, and then dismiss.
I would be offline with her.
It's not, I'm just telling you the way it works. The conviction, the lien is going to show you pled, and then ultimately the case was still remains on your lien, so you can't do this 47 times. So the police at least have ability to, you can fight with the legislature, call your lawyer, do whatever you want. I'm just telling you the way it is.
Well, that's not what I was under
The
the,
case is dismissed though, ma'am.
no, but I value my record.
All right, Ms. Cosby. Again, I don't know why everybody's so uptight today. All I know is I don't get paid enough to argue with people. I don't write these rules. I just know what they are. You asked a question, I gave you my best
It's
answer.
on my record.
Ma'am, the case is dismissed. It's dismissed.
A courtroom case takes a sudden turn. A man gets a lawyer, then another case is reviewed for probation violation. Wait until you hear this, no proof is found, and the judge dismisses it immediately. Case closed, but the record still matters. What do you guys think? Like, comment, and subscribe.
It looks like you still owe us money. Why aren't you paying on this, man?
I apologize, sir, I had my mother passed away and my brother passed away, but I'm willing, like,
Your mother and your brother?
my mother passed away first in her sleep, and then my brother, he passed away like a couple weeks later.
I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have some of this to pay?
Yes, sir, I told,
How much do you have now?
$100 today, sir. And I told him I could pay, $50 every month.
Are you,
Maybe more, I just don't want to put.
are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where?
I have a cleaning service and a home health care service, sir.
Some time. I'm gonna be reasonable with you, but you gotta be more reasonable with me, okay?
Yes,
Can you afford to pay $100 a month?
yes,
You pay 100 today, 100 per month, and I'll start that beginning on April the 1st, okay?
okay,
Fair enough?
yes, sir.
Now, if you don't have the money, don't be scared. Just call the court. We'll go on Zoom, or you can walk in here on or before the due date at 8:30. I'll be glad to give you an extension. Just don't ignore me, okay?
No problem, sir.
Best of luck. Good luck. So go down, pay your 100 now, and then 100 of them the first of every month. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
You too.
A man appears in court over unpaid money, and the judge notices something is wrong. Wait until you hear this. The man explains both his mother and brother recently passed away, and he's struggling financially. The judge shows mercy, but keeps it firm, $100 today and $100 every month starting April 1st. Then comes the warning, don't ignore payments, just call the court if you can't pay. What do you guys think, fair or too strict? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to Legal Lens for more crazy courtroom moments.